Hey, what's up, guys? This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today we have here a model kit from Bandai, which came from its high-grade model kits, and this is from the game Sakura Wars, and this is the Spiricle Striker Mugen, which is piloted by Seijiro Kamamiya, and to be honest. This kit looks like a Votoms or the Scope Dog Votoms to me because of the silhouette of this kit really looks just like the Votoms, so it reminds me of that anime. To be honest, this is not an anime, this is an RPG game if I'm not mistaken, and the protagonist characters are piloting this kind of mecha suits. This is a miniature type of mecha suits, something like that. And there are variants of this, which is which comes in color of pink, purple, green, yellow, and this one, the white one. So I prefer to choose this white one here, which is the protagonist model kit, and all of the other kits are from the supporting character roles. Actually, I like what I like in this kit is the pearly accent of white. This is a pearly white color plastic, and these gold here, what we see in this armor pieces are injection gold, which is very nice, but mind you, the plastic quality of this is a little bit brittle. That's why when you're assembling this kit, just be careful when cutting off the runners and pushing together just to fit, because it might crack the pegs and the sockets of this pearly white colored plastic here. So let's check this kit. And this kit is a high grade model, and the scale is 1 in 24 scale. So this is, to be honest, a little kit, but Bandai made it a little larger for its model. That's why it became 1/24 scale. So the kit here is your typical one-eyed model kit here. It looks like Zaku for me, also a Bottoms, and most of the kit, or most of the mobile suits of the characters from that game are the same, looks the same. So we can see here, we have here the red sticker. This is a sticker, to be honest. This is a pearly red sticker or glossy red sticker, and this is a hatch where if you open this, you can see the pilot figure of Seijiro Kamamiya. And if you're going to put the lights there, we can see an unpainted Seijiro Kamamiya. So I don't have an interest to paint it. That's why I just leave it white there. And we can see the cockpit there. He's sitting there piloting the Spiricle. Be careful when you're touching the cockpit or the hatch, because there's some resistance there happening on the joints, and this antenna here is very brittle, so just be careful. So the hands here, the arms can move forward like this, can move 360, and the the shoulders can reach or can raise up to here only, because the armor pieces here, or the shoulder armor part, is hindering the raising of the upper arm. And the elbow can bend up to 90 degrees only, or 45 degrees angle, like that. And you can stretch this one just to elongate the arms. But to be honest, I don't like to stretch it anymore because the plastic is really brittle. That's why I'm being careful on handling this kit here. Also, the plastic is not that good, but the color of the plastic is nice. And the waist here is on a peg and socket, so it's not a ball joint. So you can rotate this body head here, but only up to this kind of manner, because there's this hindrance on the side skirts there, where the sword is being attached with its hilt. And here, the legs, you can pull this down to increase the extremity length, and at the same time you can fold the knees better. So this is how far the knees can bend if you pull the inner frame there. So I already pulled it before. I will not push it back and pull it again, because as I said, this is brittle. So this is how far the knees can bend. So it's almost 90 degrees. And the legs can kick up to here, and due to the side skirts, it is being which hinders the motion of the kicking ability of the kit. So that's why it contributes to the motion. And the feet here can move from front to back. So the feet here is or the ankles are made of ball joints and hinge. So there's the hinge and there's the ball joint on the foot. So you can rotate it from side to side and forward and backward, like that. Okay. Honestly, there are stickers here for this armor piece or armor part, but I didn't waste my time applying the stickers, because the stickers is really crappy. Whenever I put the sticker here, it will easily dislodge off, because the paste of that sticker is not good, so I didn't apply it. Sticker will make this kit look cheap, that's why I didn't apply it. So I just make or maintain it like this. The hands here are of ball joints, and it can swivel and rotate from side to side like that. And unfortunately, the fingers, these three kind of fingers here, this cannot move except for this thumb here. I consider it a thumb, if you can see here. Yes, so it can move like that only, but the upper two fingers here with the armor patch there cannot move. It's a steady portion. So the weapons of this kit are two katanas. I think this is the electric katanas. So you can pull it out pull this out from the scabbard, but be careful because the hilt here is very brittle as well. So I just remember that this kind of plastic, this gold injection plastic from Bandai is very weak, because I experienced it with my Macross model kit ankle, which have this kind of plastic, which is very brittle. So be careful when handling this kit or this kind of plastic from Bandai. It's not so strong. The plastic is not so strong. So there we can pull the swords like that, and there's a peg here. You can see the peg there. It can attach to the hands there. There's a patch there for the peg there on the upper fingers. So if you apply this like that, it will securely hold the swords. Okay, also here you can securely hold the swords like that. Okay, so now it's secured. You can now post your mini bottoms here. Sakura Spiricle Striker Mugen, and there you can pose like a midget samurai, just like that. Okay, and on the video game, these swords emit electricity, so it's like a lightning sword. So for the height comparison, since this is a high grade kit, we will compare it to high grade models from Bandai. So we have here a high grade Serbine from the anime Aura Battler Dunbine. So this is the Serbine. So this is the Serbine. Even though it's high grade, it's a little taller than the Spiricle Striker Mugen. And this is, I think, the one that can accurately compare with this kit, which is the from the Sin Duality, the Daisy Ogre Altar. So this Spiricle Striker Mugen here is a bit taller than the Daisy Ogre here. So they are much related to height. Okay. So these are both high grade, but this Serbine here is 172 scale, and this Daisy Ogre here is 124 scale. Same with this Spiricle Striker Mugen. And we have here a Macross model kit, the Destroy Tomahawk, which is a 172 scale also. So still the Destroy Tomahawk is a bit taller than this kit here. So let's compare it to Bandai Gundam models, high grade and master grade. So this is the high grade Gundam here. So it's a bit taller than the high grade Gundam, and this is the master grade Gundam, your average master grade Gundam. So it's on the waist level of the master grade Gundam. So for recommendation, is this kit a worth buying kit? For me, yes, since the kit is So cute. For me, the kit is very nice, and it looks bottoms to me. That's why I really bought this kit, because it looks like the Armored Trooper bottoms, and it can break my Gundam sickness syndrome. So whenever I build kits that aren't a Gundam model, it frees me from the stress of having a Gundam syndrome, building sickness, something like that. Mind you that this vent here is very loose, so might as well you can put some glue on it to avoid losing it. But right now I didn't put glue yet for you to see that this part here is very loose. So again, this is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio saying this kit is a buy, or a must buy. Order it from your trusted shops, and I bought it from GGHOBBIES here in the Philippines, and thank you very much GGHOBBIES for selling me this kit. And yep, just order this kit and be happy building it. This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio saying goodbye, God bless, take care, masalama, auf Wiedersehen, tschüss, maraming salamat, paalam.